Padamosa.
Well, what's the way? A young girl, we are not one or Daffy. I say, young girl, pay pay price in no way, we're not pay price in no pay as support. Imagine.
Okay.
Oh, I'm going to be there.
See,
But your mouth, a sugar that you pay price in a young girl. A young girl, not to talk you. Le me five, you know, bien and pay child support to give. Eh?
Atana.
Oh,
when the Baba.
Any sooner, but
wait till they Baba here. Now you get the settle.
And you know, you know, you're getting me over TikTok. He want me at your one.
A proud mom. What about Brad, no, listen, he don't be so with Zolo, this woman come out. We for not hear this story. For you, they think say this man they walk, he they fight for social media, he they fight for men, he they fight the single mother. Some people say they support men.
But they support.
Oh, when your best is there, man. People say we don't know they support. He was supporting the husband.
You know video where she do when I know say that the woman they talk to. She just do one video. He say, and some women they go fair born for man, they go don't marry, or they go see their ex-husband with like I was like, why this husband snatch and not always they get peace? They happy now, they know they get peace. Huh? Happiness. No, that she said they not say the woman. Why do not know say that the man they brainwash this girl? We be ana. Oh, wait till you laughing. If I still give her a chance, say you ain't gonna marry. Ya white get that boy yere. Where we go the local bona. Here why is it be our deceive? The man what you like him.
Pardon Mosa, I am gonna wa.
Why you like
lawyer that time. They say this girl lawyer, this 3D, mommy 3D. They say anything this is a part command. The next way they hear, hey pardon Mosa. Hey pardon Mosa. If the man they go toilet, hey pardon Mosa. If the man go hey pardon Mosa.
He want deceive the man you your 5. How when you want your 5
deceive take collector enter as a pardon Mosa.
They tell a young boy they know you their home. I run for I know they run for you.
Hey pardon Mosa.
Do not run out for a man take buy house for Jamie. Do not run out for a man take a drive latest Jeep. Now picky you take run out for us. And the painful part here was one ray. Then you run and if you're one man and say no if you're one
when they thank you. When the lawyer now tell this woman that there is a way you can run from that task when they say your husband can't pay, give Mama Titi. That's the first wife of this man. They can't tell her say the way you fit run, you fit born many children for this man.
Okay, not the information that they give for Balekbeso, that they give people so.
So now, this lady now open like wow. Like a motor where they use 76 speed. Take the gun. Everybody power tap, guys. Everybody power tap and get the video. Let's go.
If you marry properly. With 2 children, but if you make a beer cover in your mouth, we make it do piano.
Yeah.
Oh my, here my way not to pay. So when you talk away, you don't me saying I see an pay. With 2 children, you are not working. The woman not they work. The man they work. The depends of the salary. Not the apart from maybe they receive 3,000, 3,500, 2,500. Now you will pay. Say you know they receive big money. You're getting what anyway run out for the man.
Mama 3 did the bomb. Every market day, Mother 3D must bomb.
I just tired.
The other market day.
They just hear one not anyway. Yeah, I know say government not the they leave money. They know they leave money. Based on say the man don't get new family. They go say they take care of the other family. Not be said that if you win lotto.
A kid day. The other a kid day. With the expect whether this one will still born another one. Maybe 6.
He might understand why you piano one making now. How you when you are When no what piele. Talking about who was nyoki. He might understand.
Una de hear am.
Well, he might understand. Why I just run out for her. Why okay? He collect another woman husband. He's not paying me. But also not this topic one. When no more tea here. When no more at she product. When no more here. Why she can't dey solo that woman leg? She don't still marry. She not be single. I'm a wait ye single. I wear all.
Not be
May
small
we dey
thing.
respect ourselves. Oh. Ni ma wa
Not be
respect
small thing, my people. That's so we see am. Grossious woman talk to us. Grossious woman.
Oh, I don't know, say now you can't carry me come up. I put phone for pocket, a pardon, mo, sir. And where I dey
Where?
now, no fit talk.
I know here where. Where?
Don't,
Where pa? I pa.
a pardon.
Okay. You want to remove me from my husband, from my wife, Papi?
Now they greet you keep for my sister
For
for
who?
Nigeria.
You dey greet me keep.
For my sister. I dey greet you keep. No, I dey greet you keep for my sister where dey Nigeria.
Una dey hear am? Black mommy, who make by wo sorry.
A pardon, mo, sir. How many times? I won't know how many times I go greet. We can know how many years.
we want the patient support. Who can buy your body as I require love a biometric anyway? Yes, a pay.
Where? Mousy.
Who can buy your body as I require love a biometric anyway? Where guys a pay.
Oh no,
Who
number 15.
Who will support
Number
you?
15.
You are supporting the Bradmo.
No work by the 50.
You are supporting them.
Man, I me help and find one because this my sister where they with and so. It not there enough because 8 children never
Who
reach.
tell you?
No, never reach. No, not there enough. We need money. We need money now because only I go born only 5. The other one 3. No, we need money.
When I'm a good business here, one on where they get me.
Now go.
When you are collecting child support in Lely Yaru. Where are you coming? Where are you coming? Where are you coming? When we now you pay more.
They say make the man go. They say make the man go declare madness.
It's so guys. You coming?
Anyone will Jamie.
There is so well. Support here. You coming? We are no where we know where we repay.
No. When we not so no. 30,000 euro. Now they beat this our sister. So this.
Woman not be apprentice man for his house.
Now 30,000 euro. Yes. Now 30,000 euro. Now they kill her. And this woman they pay and they
child support
because every month they remove 900. She even use her mouth talk and say they don't put them for rate for no get platform.
Every month.
Yeah.
Yes, now they remove 900 for their money.
Yes, now no, it's 900. No, it's 900. Wait,
the man na lie. The man a trailer driver.
No, the woman talk. The woman even talking with the sister. The 30,000. They pay 500 euro inside that 30,000.
How much they go calculate is how many years?
See now 3 children get for her. Why the last one is 13 years? Now 3 things the man they pay put. People where they comment section they know. The man, the one when they pay for 500, that one. Now the one will be say 30,000 naira, 30,000 euro. Now it be that one. The 200 for the small pikin. The 200 when the woman say they take care of the children. Now the woman say that one until they buy makeup. Comment section, am I lying? We follow the matter up now.
I never hear out. They don't marry for court. The man
so,
Bravo.
No, he dey pay. The man don't dey pay.
Wait. No. You want me a pardon must make them visit your house?
The commercial product who visit you, for me, waiting me believe anything where they come out for my life, not dirty.
Na dirty.
My husband are dirty. Go
Question
and
your
visit
ass.
for
You
my
want
life.
make a pagomosa visit your ass? Make them
If they
visit your
won't
husband.
visit, I don't really care because for me, I love the all these women where they reason waiting on the reason. I believe anything where they if they visit me, if
Any man, any man.
dustbin for my life. God forbid.
You tell
God
us the man
forbid.
not good.
God forbid.
We don't want to hear you. Come tell us say.
Yeah, see the 900 euro for comment section there. See the 900 euro for there. Oh. Even this month, sef. Even this month, even the woman sister said they don't pay the money sef this month again. As month end, so they don't remove the money. Government don't take their money.
But with 5 where she run, they not stop the money.
No, what it concern government concern 5 children. Now government tell you, may you go to born for another man.
No, Jamie, not be like that. They're not the frustrate person say you fair born. Now plus or minus, maybe decide the man salary reach 4K, 6K.
Now the man come Pradmon. Now the man know the kind job when he come they work.
No,
because now he know the kind job when.
Plus, me and married man when he get 2 children before, they know they bring give up because of us, because me know they work now. Yes.
No, but they pay, child support for that one.
You know they pay now. Government they give them. Maybe if you win lotto, don't get money. If you pay, but for now, you know
I will not side the good.
Okay. We even receive the letter tomorrow. Say for yesterday.
Okay, wait.
For now,
is it because yes?
Because you know they receive enough.
You know they receive enough. Okay, because say you born for her now.
Listen. Before, when the minister when we submit everything, they come bring 125. Say me they pay 125. We come get more. My other before when we first submit and 1 pikin we submit, which is my second son. They come bring 125. Can't give her me they pay.
Yes.
So when we can't go give her my last baby certificate and my first son birth certificate, yesterday we received letter say for now may not they pay because he get a family to take care of.
He get another responsibility. Abi, but your own case now, is understandable. Your own case, your husband now no run.
No,
if they there for if they there with your children, your husband no deny it. He not deny say no get children for Jamie. This one na he deny. Na he run. Na he still bring it. Yeah, for Jamie now. When that time the woman go sick Aduro, they first deny. So the man now he still using his stubbornness, bring himself out for Jamie.
My husband not go pay that money. Listen, comment. My husband not go pay that money unless say maybe he don't get extra work when he big because they receive more.
Your own not different.
If you say record, they pay the children, but they don't pay them unless they win.
I greet everybody.
Okay, that one is different.
Yes.
That one is different, but this one na court now. Not be the woman na court na he send letter to the man. Say make they pay. Yes. That's why I say your case is different.
They know they do wayo. They know they do wayo. Just tell them the truth.
Epa. I never talk wetin I wan talk but me I fair mute.
Fair mute, you talk with you want to fair mute. Make Betty talk to us.
Epa, when the market got here, but man, not the what dollar. But he got here. When the market got here, but man, not the what dollar. But he got here, right?
What man here? Anyway, don't priest.
Yet below you, but double.
Kumana bulu yeni meteme sugusugu.
Sugusugu. What? According to a lawyer, maybe major last 2 weeks, or where other for me I received 2,800. If my husband they receive 2,800. Money 2,800, you not go still pay. If they receive 2,020 euro, 2,820 euro, 2,850 euro, that 50 euro, 20 euro, when you get on top, you go they pay the children. Yes.
At least sometimes you go to give the children money.
Okay.
Apart at least sometimes they go buy the children something.
Wait first, add more.
You know they give at all. You know they give at all. But if they buy tickets, go they see them. If you still see, they go carry the art, finish. Government dey
And
pay
that-
them because him salary no reach.
And I mean they talk
Your
now so
husband
apart from
salary
that
no
one.
good.
But
He
at
no
least
reach,
they
he no
see
reach
the
2.8
children.
now. He no
Not
reach
just wait
2.8.
till I ask Pradmo question, you go talk.
The
Pradmo,
prince, POS na
Yeah.
hacker, blocker, hacker.
who?
See your comment section na hacker.
Who be Aka?
ROS, see wetin they write for comment since na hacker the person be.
Where the Aka? Aka! Ogoga Bijue Aka.